We got sick because we lose energy. Once we don't have enough energy to operate in the systems, some part of the systems have to shut down. That's the moment we got sick. We feel uncomfortable. When these things continue, then bigger disease will develop in the system. So if you every day spend like 10 minutes like this to practice this simple movement, you have no chance for energy blockages that created in your body. When we talk about qi, lots of people in the Western mind think qi is energy. But actually, in the concept of qi, in the Chinese philosophy, qi is way, way beyond energy can describe. This qi has the intelligence to help you to fix any damaged systems, any damaged tissues, and any damaged cells. Chinese doctors in the past have done a lot of studies. And through my over 30 years of studies of Qigong, I found out so many different forms of Qigong and also the movements and postures and the ways how they cultivate this Qi. And I found out only a couple dozens of movements are very critical and effective. If you use it properly and you make time to do it, you tune in, you can help yourself to cultivate that qi very, very fast. What kind of things will involve with this practice so that you can activate this qi? Number one, your breath. Number two, the posture and body movements. Number three, your mind. And number four, sound, the vibration of sound. So now let's start with the breathing. What you do, you focus on your lower dantian. The lower dantian is the energy center behind the navel. And there's some different thoughts. It's below 3 inches below the navel. And here I'm telling you it's behind the navel, 3 inches. When you inhale, you visualize the universal light coming in through the skin and collects in your lower dantian. When you exhale, you invite the stale energy shooting out from every part of the body to the ends of the sky. When you inhale, when you start feeling goosebumps all over your body, that means you are activating the qi. When you exhale, if you feel that it's difficult to push the energy out from your skin, that means you focus on your skin too much. You need to focus on the ends of the sky. Once you focus at the end of the sky, the qi shoots out. So then your whole energy communicates with the nature, with the universe. So that's the first part. The second part is about the movements and the body postures. I'll give you one exercise. I want everybody every day to make time to do this one exercise. If you have allergies, asthma, headaches, migraine headaches, shoulder problems, by doing this 10 minutes a day, a couple times a day, within 1 week, your pain is going to go away. And if those people who have more severe problems than that, keep doing that. And recently I have a lot of success in also people who have lung cancers, and by doing so, and they are in the process of healing. So this is a gift for you for the day. This exercise is very simple. I'm going to take this chair. What you do, you sit way back to the ends of the chair. And keep your spine straight. Then put your hands, both hands. So put your hands on your laps. And you dolphin the upper part of your spine from the chest up. You do it like this. You stretch your chin, lift up your chin up a little bit, and stretch down like you're scooping a golf ball against your neck. And hold it a little bit tight, not very tight, just little tight. And then you stretch your neck straight up. And on purpose, you lean back a little. Hold this posture for me. You feel there's a little bit pulling sensation in the front, the muscles, the chest. And you hold it for like 5 seconds. And then you repeat. Stretch your chin forward and scoop it down. Hold the gold ball against your neck. And hold it up and stretch up. And then now repeat. The last one is the sound, the vibration. Vibration from the sound, chanting is very powerful too. Why? Chanting can help to heal, to open channels. Because each organ, the system, has like a vibration. The vibration produced by the sound would join together, merging together with the vibration of the organs. Once these two vibrations are in sync with each other, resonance is produced. Once resonance is produced, miracle happens. So if you can put these things together in one practice, in 10 minutes, it will help you to regain your energy so quickly. We got sick because we lose energy. Once we don't have enough energy to operate in the systems, some part of the systems have to shut down. That's the moment we got sick. We feel uncomfortable. When these things continue, then bigger disease will develop in the system. So if you every day spend like 10 minutes like this to practice these simple movements, you have no chance for energy blockages got created in your body.